Hey everybody, I'm Jason Gillett down here at Grand Prairie Nissan, and today I want to show you this beautiful 2020 Nissan Kicks. It's in the SV model, and for 2020 they've given us a whole bunch of upgrades. I'm going to list those upgrades quickly, and then I'm going to take you around this car and just explain them in depth a little bit. So they've given us intelligent forward braking system with pedestrian detection. They've given us auto high beam alert system. They've given us blind spot detection system, given us rear collision system, given us cross traffic rear camera system. They've given us remote start on the key, given us rear sonar, given us a passenger knee bag, given us a rear side curtain airbag for the passengers in the back, lane departure warning system with a haptic steering wheel. This has all kinds of upgrades. I mean, it's just crazy. They didn't need to do all this stuff. This model was already selling really well. It's just nice to know if you're gonna get a 2020, you're getting all kinds of upgrades. Now let's take a look at the car. So right up front, you do get a nice 4-cylinder engine, made it to a CVT transmission. Nice power, but gets awesome fuel mileage. Really fun to drive around. These headlights up front on the SV model, they're nice and bright, but they're also automatic. Turn on and off as we get daylight, night light, as well as they've got the high beam assist now. So that means if you're driving at night, got your high beams on, as soon as you sense another vehicle, it's gonna turn off automatically. You get past them, turn back on. Because this is an SV, we do get fog lights on the bottom. We also get these stylish rims. Not only do they look good, but they have Nissan's intelligent Easy Fill Tire Alert system. What's Easy Fill Tire Alert? That means if the pressure goes low on this tire, all we gotta do is put the hose to it. When it gets to the right pressure, the horn is gonna honk and the lights are gonna flash. We don't need a tire gauge again, just psh, beep, we're good. Come along the side here. On the SV model, we do get this intelligent entry system. So that means I can press this, it'll lock the vehicle, press it again, unlock the vehicle. Don't have to take this key out of my pocket. Although the key does have lock and unlock and now remote start on there as well, which is really nice. In the back here, you have all kinds of space. If you've got kids or just friends that you like to travel with, everybody's super comfortable. It's really nice space for the back seat on a vehicle in this compact crossover. Then when we come to the back here, so I want to talk a little bit here. We did get rear sonar this year in the SV model, so these beepers are going to detect something, give you an audible warning. We also still have a backup camera, but now have rear cross traffic detection. That means if somebody's coming from beside while you're backing out of your parking spot, it's going to let you know you have cross traffic coming, and you can stop so you can detect that. It also has the intelligent rear braking system, so if you've got a garbage can or something back here, you back up, it senses it, it's going to brake if you don't. Awesome systems. And to go with all that, we do have great cargo space. Open up the hatch here, all kinds of room. You also do have this nice top shelf. This is removable for even more room, but it hides things from prying eyes. And then those seats do fold down in a 60-40 fashion. And you really do have a lot of space back here to throw things in. Now I'm gonna get you just to go around to the passenger seat, jump in, we'll go through some of the interior features. All right guys, so I told you this has the keyless entry system, so push button ignition. Got a button down here, put my foot on the brake, hit that, it's gonna start right up, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna walk you through some of the options. In here you have a really nice floating display, looks great, perfect eye level for me when I'm driving, not too distracted, not too high, not too low. This has satellite radio in the SV model, Bluetooth streaming, AM, FM, and you also do get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you don't know what those are, when you plug in your USB device, iPhone or Android device into your USB connection here, this mimics your phone. All your GPS, everything from your phone comes up here, your podcasts, your music, your Spotify, all kinds of stuff. This looks like your device. It's really awesome. In here, they do have swipe technology. So if I go to a main menu and I swipe over, just nice, just like your smartphone is, which is pretty cool. Coming down here, you do get a digital display for your climate control system, and it also has heated seats. Who doesn't love heated seats? 2 different levels, has an auto setting as well, so if I set it to 21 degrees, just like my house, it'll get as hot or as cold as it needs to when I hit the auto button. Lots of space to put things like your phone or whatnot down here. Automatic transmission works amazing. And when I put it into reverse, you'll see our backup camera comes up with predictive lines on the ground. So those are gonna move when I turn the steering wheel, which is great. And it has that rear cross traffic detection. So if somebody comes in from the side, that's gonna beep and let me know. Up top here, I told you it has the pedestrian detection forward collision system. So this is a sensor for that. It's essentially, if this senses somebody cut us off last second, a vehicle, it's gonna give us a warning and then brake if necessary, or a person even. So that's a really nice feature that they've upgraded for us this year. And then I told you about the lane departure system. So there's a lane departure system. If we start to go over the lane, this steering wheel is going to give us some feedback. It's called a haptic steering wheel. Going to pulse a little bit, vibrate, and let us know, hey, you're getting a little close to the lane, or you've just gone over it, which is another great feature. The headlights are automatic, which work awesome. And this does have that blind spot detection I was telling you about, which is new for this year in the SV. So right here, there is a little light. This is gonna light up and let you know that somebody's in your blind spot. And if you put your signal light on while that's lit up, it's going to flash at you and chime so that you know, like maybe you didn't see the light the first time, now you'll see it again. In the SV model, you do get an upgraded display. So part of it is analog, but the other part is digital. And in here, you can go in and you can see a lot of things. You can see a digital tach, you can see distance to empty, you can go in and see the stereo, you can see what type of fuel mileage you're getting. You can look at some information screens. And I really like this information screen because it gives me a digital speedometer. I don't know why I like digital speedometers over analog, but you actually get both. You get analog and digital. And then you can see some more readouts like driving computers, what driving aids you have turned on right now, and your tire pressure monitoring system as well. Any warnings like the door that happens to be open right now. And then you can go into settings and you can turn on or off a bunch of the customizable settings for the vehicle, which is all awesome. So, you know, this is our 2020 Kicks. Like I said, they've done a whole bunch of amazing upgrades this year. Definitely well worth the money. Value for dollar, you just can't beat these cars. Thanks for taking a look at this vehicle. If you're interested in one, please give me a shout. Find me at Grand Prairie Nissan. And of course, if you have a moment, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and help keeping all these videos free for everybody to enjoy. All right, have a great day and happy motoring.